pen guide, back with another unboxing video. Now in this video I am going to unbox the Platinum Prefonte fountain pen. This fountain pen is the elder brother of the widely used popular Platinum Preppy fountain pen. This fountain pen comes from the Japanese brand Platinum and is fairly new in the fountain pen hobby. For those who seek a smart and a casual fountain pen, the Prefonte is ideal for both business and daily use, as well as for fountain pen beginners. In this video, we will have a look at the unboxing experience, the packaging contents, and the overall first impressions of the Platinum Prefonte fountain pen. Without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing video. So I bought this fountain pen from Amazon. This fountain pen is available on many e-commerce websites such as Amazon and Flipkart in India, and Goulet Pens and Jet Pens in the United States of America. So the packaging is quite simple. It has a lot of cardboard which has been used to secure the fountain pen from any kind of a wear and damage or something like that. And I really appreciate the Amazon packaging all the time. So that's what we have. First of all, we have the invoice in our hands. So according to Amazon, I'll just make you read the cost. So the unit price is rupees 720, and apart from that they are adding GST, which is CGST and SGST, 9% both. So which both of them including is 129 rupees, and then when you calculate all of it is getting up to 850 rupees. So that's how Amazon has basically calculated, and that's the invoice also what we get from Amazon. The pen which I bought is the Platinum Prefonte Night Sea fountain pen. Basically, it is a blue color fountain pen what comes from Platinum, and that's what we have in our hands. And this pen is brought in India by Swastik Enterprises, which is like a Platinum reseller here in India. And that's what we have. Let's start with the unboxing. It has been shrink wrapped with some plastic. That was also the barcode. So that's what we get in the actual box, Platinum Prefonte fountain pen. And the nib option which I've ordered for here is the 03 Fine. And it says blue black cartridge ink, that's also graphite blue. And one of the greatest thing which Platinum promises us and provides us is 1 year no dry facility. So because of the inner sealing cap which has been used in the Platinum Prefonte and the Platinum Preppy fountain pen, it has 1 year no dry fountain pen thing, and it's known as the slip seal technology by Platinum. That's a graph which states about it for the same. Now this is again some instructions on how should you install the pen cartridge, and some more information about how it was brought in India. And again the MRP which has been stated here for one unit is rupees 850, and you can also buy it on swastikpen.com where it was actually imported from. Let's start with the overall unboxing of this fountain pen. So a seal has been given here. It's a pretty simple unboxing, and that's what we get in our hands, the Platinum Prefonte. So I'll remove it here. Again the branding, and this is what we have in our hands. This is the clip out here, this is the pen out here, and this is the blue and black Platinum proprietary pen cartridge. Let's start with the unboxing video.
A few moments later.
So here we have the Platinum Prefonte fountain pen in the Night Sea version, which is also known as the blue version. It's actually a navy blue kind of a finish which has been given, and it's also available in many different color options. And to start off with the physical overview of the fountain pen, it has a metal clip which has been used compared to the Platinum Preppy, which uses a plastic clip. Now it's a quietly flexible metal clip which has been used out here, and it's a flat top and a flat bottom fountain pen. So that's in terms of the shape of the fountain pen. And Prefonte has been written here on the cap, 03 Platinum made in Japan. That is what has been written. And if you see overall, the complete body is translucent. You can see a little bit of the ink opacity. You can also see the inner threads out here. So that is the same standard which has been used with the Platinum Preppy as well. Holding in the hands, it's quite good. The cap is a snap cap which also has a noise out here, and the material which has been used is same as the Platinum Preppy, but I just find it to be better in terms of the overall aesthetic and look. The material which has been used is resin, which is nothing but plastic. And unscrewing the cap, that is what we have. A very similar thing which we again find with Platinum Preppy. It's completely same. The grip section, the nib which has been used. Now the nib is again a stainless steel nib which has been manufactured in Japan, and the tip which we can see of Platinum is known as abrasion special alloy kind of a tip which has been welded. So that's what they call it technically. So that's what we have in terms of the grip section out here. Here are the threads, and here is the barrel of the fountain pen. Now you can also put a cartridge or a converter, a proprietary cartridge which has been provided by Platinum, or a converter which has been again provided by Platinum, or maybe for better ink capacity you can fill the complete barrel with an eyedropper filling mechanism by just applying a little bit of silicone grease out here and an O-ring. Let's have a look specifically in terms of the writing diameter of the fountain pen. So that's how it looks in terms of the writing diameter. The grip is quite comfortable. It is the same which has been used by the Platinum Preppy. So what I find the Platinum Preppy to be, it is quite good in terms of the long hours writing experience, and it is quite comfortable for the writing experience. That's how the grip looks in regular sized hands. And when we post the fountain pen, that's how the complete fountain pen looks. Personally, I prefer using the fountain pen unposted. That's how the whole thing is. I love the diameter of the grip. It's an appropriate size, and the way the grip has been constructed is also pretty good. In terms of the nib options, this is the 03 nib option. It is also available in 02, which is extra fine, and also available in 05, which is medium, same as the Platinum Preppy. So that is what we have in terms of the physical overview of the Platinum Prefonte fountain pen. And this is the blue black proprietary cartridge which comes with the fountain pen. Now you can buy a pair of 2 cartridges online on any e-commerce websites for rupees 130 or rupees 150, depends upon the region where you live upon. So that's what it is. And overall, I really love the packaging of the fountain pen. I really love the look and the feel of the fountain pen, especially what they've done, making it more professional for adults to use also. And I find it to be more durable, even though same material has been used. I have faced a lot of durable issues with the Platinum Preppy, but I don't think this would be the same with the Platinum Prefonte, because it looks to be quite durable and also appeals to the target audience, not only beginners but adults in the fountain pen hobby, making it a very smart feel. And the metal clip which has been used definitely adds on to the aesthetic and the look and the appeal of the fountain pen. Now in terms of the color options of the Platinum Prefonte fountain pen, the Prefonte is available in 5 different color options. Number 1 being the crimson red, number 2 is dark emerald, which is nothing but dark green. Number 3 is graphite blue, which is more towards a blue and a black kind of a shade, similar to the proprietary Platinum cartridges of blue and black which comes in the box. Number 4 is the night sea, the one that I have unboxed and I will be using. And the number 5 is the vermilion orange. So these are the 5 color options by Platinum, and nothing has changed in the fountain pen experience apart from the colors. The fountain pen would be completely similar to what we've just seen, except the color would be different depending upon the color that you buy. So that is what it is for the unboxing and the packaging experience of this Platinum Prefonte fountain pen. I am very excited to use this fountain pen as any other Platinum fountain pen, because the Preppy is very close to my heart. And let's see you guys soon in the review video where I'll speak about more aspects of this fountain pen. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Share it with your family and friends and fellow fountain pen enthusiasts for more content like this on Fountain Pen Guy. This is FPG Fountain Pen Guy signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video.